my height. Some of them you may have to walk. I will.
Recording?
Yeah.
She loves headphones. Don't let her chew on the wood, please. Okay.
You all get used to it and everything, maybe we can see about going.
Hey, David tried me to get to hold the horse, but I didn't do it. I would say Jesse James, but we didn't have a good experience.
Depending on how many people you have going, I've got
Yeah.
Run the ditches?
Well, the good thing about these I can get buddy saddles with my saddles.
Yeah.
They ride two. Literally, they ride doubles.
You alright?
Whoa. Thank you. At least you get them straight.
Stand still.
Hey,
Good night.
look,
It's not going to eat
he's not
you.
going to do anything.
You didn't talk about the teeth aspect. Always keep your hand like
Yeah.
this.
Keep your hand flat.
Hey, don't do what I do and shove your hand in their mouth either.
But also they only have teeth.
But then in their teeth, they have a gap where you can put your fingers and make them open their mouth.
Yeah. So like when you feed them carrots or anything, you just go like, yeah. Like you and teeth.
Yeah, they don't brush them.
I mean, you can have their teeth floated. And
Dude, you need to brush your teeth, man. And you need to floss.
No, she can. We'd have to brush them.
Yeah, just gonna wear him out a little bit. That way he listens a little bit better. He don't like to listen to me too much.
That one?
I could tell. I could tell.
This one looks calm.
To an extent.
To an extent.
the one she barrel races.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one gets hot-headed like arenas. If there was 3 barrels out here,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have rode up here. Yeah. I'd have walked
Seriously?
up. They know their job really well, and their job is to run around those barrels as quick as they can. Now you
So
put it
you tell him, hey, slow down here, guy, and it's like whatever, and just keeps going?
with an adult. You put him on there, put the barrels out there, they'll walk. It's like they sense the weight difference. And what Richard was saying earlier about being scared, yeah, they know it. She knows every time I get on her that I'm scared, and she'll do stupid stuff.
And she'll make you
Hey, horse.
But she's not gonna wear her
Oh, she'll wear them out.
So what y'all talk about up there?
Yeah, they listen.
Well, inside.
Did you read the thing?
I couldn't.
That's what she's doing?
No, did you read it in your book?
Oh, what?
You should have read all that just so you know what it was.
We could put a horse
poop.
over there.
Yeah, it'll kick you.
You can't tell me you didn't have time.
Just like that. I don't like to stand right behind you.
You had plenty of time.
Whatever it takes on it.
I just forgot.
You won't do it.
I promise you,
Don't stand on
ain't nothing gonna happen that's gonna hurt you. Yeah, he may take off running a little bit. As long as you keep your feet in the saddle, you're good.
Yes, the news right
Just
here
like
is puppy
always.
kids.
Nothing gonna happen. There you go.
Don't do anything I did when you pull on their mouths. Don't do that. Quit.
I think you just aggravated him a little.
Yeah.
No, he's mellowing out. This is what he is.
When we go trail riding, I saddle him up there and wear him out.
Then you get on them?
So who wants to go first?
Not me.
Let's let her go.
I'm not doing
She likes horses.
One can get on her.